Yes, sir. Can you just stand?
Thank you, guys.
This is an internal competition of our staff. There is nobody who comes from outside the police service who is qualified to compete for this position. So we are dealing with our staff, staff whom we know, staff whom we have seen perform, and we know their competencies. Because the requirement for this position, you must be a serving police officer who have attained the rank of Assistant Inspector General and above. And therefore, among all those who are in that rank, they were open and free to compete for the position.